Lights on? Lights are not on.
Oh.
Hey everyone, happy August. I hope you're doing well. It is the middle of August already. Where has the summer gone? I hope that you've had a great summer. It's been really hot here in the DC area. It's actually cooled down in the last week or so, which is great. And things at the office have been really good. So appreciate your support. Thank you for tuning in. For those of you tuning in for the first time, I'm Dr. J. Kim. I'm a facial plastic surgeon, now double board certified, both by the Head and Neck Surgery Board and the Facial Plastic Surgery Board. And we're here at the office in Fairfax, Virginia, just about 30 minutes outside of Washington, D.C. For those of you tuning in again, thank you for tuning in and appreciate your support as always. Today we are doing a live Q&A. Thank you for submitting your questions. We will try to get to as many as we can. And this is really a get to know the doctor and his approach to your facial beauty. And you can ask questions about your beauty as well as my background and whatever else you would like to ask. So next slide, please. Again, we have skincare esthetician services. We have our master esthetician here. Her name is Sun, and she's great. She has a wealth of experience. She's been doing, she's been here for quite a while, and she has great hands, great knowledge of products for you to use at home, as well as professional laser, peel, other microdermabrasion services that she'll provide for you. I get treatments from her myself and really enjoy the treatment process itself as well as the results from her hands. So she's here Wednesdays and she's getting busier, so we're going to expand her schedule for the details to come. So keep posted on our Instagram, on our Facebook, and on our website, jkimmd.com for those updates. And I look forward to you guys bringing your beauty to Miss Sun so that she can work her magic and take care of you. Next slide, please. Okay, so microneedling packages, as you may or may not have may not know, or if you've tuned into our lives in the past, microneedling is a great procedure that we do here in the office to help stimulate collagen. So it really helps promote your skin health and beauty. We lose collagen growth slowly over the course of time, so this is a great way to stimulate your collagen growth. We have microneedling plain, or we have microneedling RF, which is radio frequency heat, so it applies energy in addition to the process of microneedling so that it gives you that extra boost for collagen stimulation. You can add PRP to this procedure, and PRP, platelet-rich plasma, is basically drawing your own blood and getting the hormone and growth factor rich component of it to apply directly onto your skin during the microneedling procedure. So in addition, it's another extra boost to really revitalize your skin and rejuvenate it. So this is a limited time offer, and if you want to take advantage of it, text our office or call 703-705-2100, and Ms. Sun will gladly take care of you for this procedure. This is our product of the month. It's cooling down here in the DMV, but don't forget your sunscreen. Sunscreen is good for you year-round. UV rays come from the sun 365 days a year, so it's always good to apply sunscreen. And if you're out in the sun for more than 2 hours at a time, you should reapply every 2 hours. This is a sunscreen from Elastin, and it's tinted. And so if you wear sunscreen and then makeup, maybe you can skip the makeup step, at least the foundation part. I don't know, I'm a guy. So this is great for the sunscreen part, which the SPF is 36 and it's a mineral sunscreen, so it doesn't have those potentially harmful chemicals that could go into your bloodstream. It's titanium and zinc, which are great mineral physical barriers. So this is a physical sunscreen, and I use it myself. So great product. Come by and you can take advantage of this offer again for a limited time. Thank you. Next slide.
First question, Dr. Kim. What type of surgery do you enjoy doing the most?
The type of surgery I enjoy doing the most is eyelid surgery. So I really do think, sorry for sounding trite, but eyelids are kind of the window to your soul. The eyes are really what make your face, your beauty shine through. The way that your eyes convey you to the world, it conveys your health, your beauty. It can convey a lot of expressions. So the way that I see it, revitalizing this area is one of my favorite things to do, and I do it quite frequently. We do upper eyelid surgery and lower eyelid surgery here in the office with great safety and great results. I operate on people of all different backgrounds. So most facial plastic surgeons, or plastic surgeons for that matter, operate on Caucasian people. I operate on Caucasian people, Asian people, Black people. Everybody is welcome. And so, especially for Asian eyelid surgery, there's a little bit of a different technique to it, which I won't go to here, but something that's very delicate for eyelids that I really like to do, and people really enjoy the outcomes.
Which is more effective, Sculptra or filler?
So this is a loaded question, and it's not really what's more effective, it's really what you're going for. Okay. Sculptra, if you haven't heard of already, is an injection that stimulates collagen in your skin. Okay, and this is good for, especially after your 20s and 30s. If you're of thin or medium build, we tend to lose volume in certain areas of our face. So what Sculptra does is, if you have concerns about, certain areas of your face hollowing, or looking flat, or not looking as vital, as rejuvenated as before, it's actually a cool way to get collagen stimulation for those areas of your face. So the way Sculptra works, it's not automatic. You have to wait for the treatment to be processed by your body, and then your body starts making your own collagen. So what that means is there's delayed gratification to it. At the same time, the results last a lot longer. Okay, recent studies show that even after 2 years after a Sculptra treatment regimen, that people still see increased volume in the areas of their face where they wanted the treatment effect. Filler, on the other hand, is made of hyaluronic acid or calcium, depending on which filler you use. The way that fillers work are that they're instant. Okay, the volume that goes into a certain area of the face, you see the change right away, and it lasts for about a year. And then it goes away, and there's really nothing in the form of collagen stimulation to have a long-lasting effect. So what filler does is it gives accents to certain areas of your face. So if you want, for example, if you want really snatched cheeks or a jawline, then Sculptra is not for you. Then filler is the way to go, because it stays right where you put it, it's instant, and you have a nice, smooth, youthful, rejuvenated contour for upwards of a year. If you want overall natural volumization, where people might know that you look a little bit different or more refreshed, but they don't know what it is, then Sculptra is for you. Sculptra won't necessarily accentuate certain contours of your face that you want to highlight your beauty, but overall it's a nice treatment for overall rejuvenation. So that's the difference between Sculptra and filler. If you're looking for instant results and certain, really accentuated contours of your face, filler is for you. Sorry, filler is for you. If you want just a more refreshed overall look, and you aren't going for instant gratification, and you can kind of wait on those results, but you want longer lasting results, then Sculptra is for you. So I offer both here at the office. We have special injection Wednesdays where I'm entirely focused on just injectable treatments for your facial beauty. And so book the Wednesdays. Come here, book the Wednesdays, and let me help you get to your beauty goals that way. Okay, next question.
How long does Botox last for TMJ concerns?
All right, so Botox is a shot into muscles to help relax the muscles. So what I do for a lot of patients is shots right along here, this chewing muscle, okay? And there are a couple benefits to this treatment. First is if you grind your teeth at night, or if you clench because of stress, or just because you do while you're sleeping, relaxing this muscle with a Botox shot can help relieve that symptom. So for people who have TMJ, grinding their teeth at night, it's a really good treatment. The other effect is that as Botox weakens your muscles, okay, weak muscles atrophy. So you actually get a little bit of a slimming effect. And you might notice that I've done this on myself a few times because I'm a little slimmer here than before I started to treat myself for this area. Okay, so I treat myself about every 4 to 5 months, and that's about how long it lasts. Let's say you have the treatment today, then it takes a few days for it to start taking effect. And you'll know because when you eat something chewy or crunchy, like pizza crust, big burgers or steaks or what have you, it'll take a little more effort for you to chew said food. And once it sets in, it's good for about 4 to 5 months. For younger people, it might be a little longer, if you're 50s and above. So I love this treatment. I do it for myself. I do it for some of my staff. And I love the treatment. Again, if you want this for you, either for the slimming effect or from the relief of the TMJ and night grinding, again, call our office and book for an injection Wednesday so that I can do the treatment for you.
What kind of skincare products do you have?
Right now, we carry a few brands of skincare product. These are top-of-the-line medical-grade skincare. You cannot get these without a medical license. So first, we have PCA Skin. It's a very well-established brand. It's been around for more than 30 years, and they're really focused on certain problems with your skin or certain ingredients that really help your skin. For example, for patients who get Botox treatments for lines that they don't like, we have a complementary skincare product called X-Linea, and it's a peptide serum which helps plump up the areas where you do a spot treatment. So it's a nice synergy to your Botox treatment. Okay, I can't go through all of the skincare line products in the PCA line. We have quite a few. The next one is Elastin. And Elastin is really focused on remodeling and rebuilding the elastin, so the bounce back of your skin. So in addition to collagen production not being as robust as we get older, elastin production and organization also declines a little bit. So the unique value of elastin is to help clean up and restore the structure of the bounce back of your skin. So they have a lot of products related to just overall general maintenance. One of the products that I really like is the restorative skin, and it's in the green font. You'll see it in the office when you come. And it's kind of like, it has great ingredients like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, other great ingredients to help moisture, as well as their technology to help with the bounce back of your skin. There's also Skin Better, which we brought on a little more recently, and the product of theirs that I like the most is the Alpha Ret. So if y'all are into retinol and you want alpha hydroxy acid in the same product, then our Alpha Ret is for you. It's probably one of the best retinols in the industry, so come check it out. You can try it on your hand at the office. And so for further information about all our skincare products, call our office, and our ladies will be happy to take care of you.
How long does lip filler last?
So lip filler is one of my favorite treatments. It really gives you that, ba-ba-boom. In addition to eyes, I think lips are kind of bling bling of your face, and you can accessorize and jazz it up to your heart's content. Lip filler generally lasts about 9 months to a year. Some of the lip fillers that we offer are Juvederm as well as Restylane. They're all FDA approved for your lips, and as they move with your lips, it shouldn't be too heavy. It should be nice, just a just a fuller version of your lips, as it were. So it's a very nice treatment that I do for you in the office. Yeah, 9 months to a year about is good. And if you want any other treatment, injection treatments with that, you can always come on a Wednesday, and I'll be glad to take care of you.
What is Diamond Glow, and how often should you get the treatment done?
Diamond Glow is one of a form of microdermabrasion. So because of just things, the elements, the sun and pollutants in the air, and also the changing of our skin over time, it's always good to have a refresh. So microdermabrasion in the form of Diamond Glow, it does 3 things. So it exfoliates, it extracts, and it infuses. Okay, so exfoliation, kind of like the exfoliating face wash, but extraction, really it gets down a little bit deeper into the grime that may build on our facial skin over time, and then it infuses a serum of your choice. So we have a few choices in terms of what kind of ingredient you really want to get deep down into your skin to really rejuvenate and revitalize your beauty there. So people do this about every 3 to 4 weeks. You have package deals that we have in our office, and it's one of our favorite things to do. Some of our staff do it, and the patients who do it really, really like it. So it's a great complement to the injection treatments that we do, and also just in terms of overall facial balance and harmony and beauty. We really like it a lot.
Does your office do hand fillers? Is it more beneficial than lasers?
So hand fillers versus lasers, it depends what you're going for. So the back of your hand, okay, over time, you may see valleys in between the ligaments of your fingers, okay? And so you may see it more when your hands are stretched like this. And this is overall, again, volume loss, collagen loss, just like your face. So if it's the valleys that you want to change, then filler is the answer, and we have a few fillers for that. If it's sun damage on the skin, then laser is the answer for you. So if it's hand filler that you would like to help the valleys, I can certainly help you with that. And if it's laser, then our esthetician can help you with that. Again, it depends what you're going for, and just because you do one, it doesn't mean you can't do the other. They're both complementary in terms of your hand beauty, and we'll do a nice job for you.
And if you could talk more about our little friends and family referral.
Okay, so we always love when our patients who are happy bring other people, okay, and we really appreciate that. It's a vote of confidence to us, which we really appreciate. I've seen mothers come with daughters, daughters come with mothers, I've seen siblings come together, I've seen couples come together, so we really appreciate that. And as a show of our appreciation, we want to give you a referral bonus, so that whenever you bring somebody, you get a deal for your treatment, and the person you bring gets a deal for their treatment too. So now that COVID's a little bit, less, we're a little bit better now. We have a lot of safety protocols, and it's not as dangerous as before. We more than welcome people who come in pairs or in small groups.
Okay. And I don't think there's any more questions, Dr. Kim. Any last comments?
So we have a party coming up next month, and it's about Sculptra. So we're going to have some resources on our website so that you can learn more about what Sculptra is and how it works. And I think we're going to have a live demonstration during the Sculptra event. So stay tuned. Check out our website, jkimmd.com. Continue to follow our socials so that You don't miss out. It's a limited time. It's a it's a special event with event-only offers and promotions. So again, stay tuned. Check your email. Follow us on our socials and check our website regularly. Thank you again for your attention, and we'll see you in the next Instagram Live, and have a great weekend.